Ooh, hey, what's going on, guys? Got a whole bunch of snow and rain here in southern Illinois, and it froze over, so it's hard for me to get the bike out. But there was always something I wanted to show people. I got a battery bracket I'm going to install. You get that from Tyler Droste on Facebook. I'm probably butchering your name, I'm sorry. I'll leave a link in the description. And also, I got a radiator cover from MDD Customs and stuff. And I noticed, like, I love the cover. I've had it for a while, but I'm gonna have to show you, like, it just needs a little TLC, and let me show you what I mean by that in a second. So anyway, I got the cover off my bike. You probably can't tell right now in the back. It's a custom design. It's Michael Myers. I'm a huge Halloween fan. And it came with these double-sided sticky tapes to keep the back part on. But over time, it started, it just started breaking down. I mean, it's out in the elements, what do you expect? So I got some better mounting tape that I'm going to put on the back, and hopefully that will help the guard stay where it's supposed to be at, the back part. Like I said, it doesn't rattle. It wasn't coming off when I was riding and all that, but just for peace of mind, because when I took it off, I noticed the bottom tape, it was starting to not be so sticky, so watch, say we put that on, and the new tape on, that T-Rex tape, and we'll see how it looks now. All right, we got the back plate on, so I'm saying it's the Michael Myers. I think it really does set off the bike. I have no clue what that tube's about. I'm gonna talk to my girlfriend when she gets home. But yeah, that goes right on the bottom over your radiator. And the next part of this project we're gonna do, like I said, it's the focus. It's the battery bracket, aftermarket battery bracket. What happens is that the stock one that comes with it, these bolts will seize into there. All right, they seize into the stock battery bracket. So if you got a new Challenger or Pursuit, like I said, like, just put anti-seize on it and stuff. I mean, I never had this problem. Apparently it's a problem a lot of people have been having and stuff. I can't get the bolts out. All right, so this is the stock little focus. That's a stock battery bracket, and you can tell in there, that's what's stripped out. That's what these brass parts are. And like I said, I guess from the factory, they don't put any kind of anti-seize on that. So a lot of times there's really nothing to hold on the bracket other than these bottom notches right here. So that's why we got the new one, the new bracket. And like I said, that's why I'm using the sound dampening tape, because there's a piece right here to kind of give it some, push it, snug up against the battery. Obviously, I'm not going to use this one, but when you see like the thickness and stuff, it's probably about maybe 2 of these, if I had to guess. But I mean, I don't take my battery out that much, so it shouldn't be a problem. So I'm going to install that now, and we'll get back with you. All right, we got the bracket on. I made sure to put my sound dampening stuff between it. So I guess the next thing to do is get this cover on, and we'll be good to go. All right, we got her all put together. Yeah, this bike's pretty filthy. I hate it being like this, but like I said, that's my MDD Custom Radiator cover. And then the battery bracket is from Tyler Droste. You can find those guys on Facebook. They're all over the Indian Challenger group pages also for any custom work or for the battery bracket. And like I said, one more thing. So the new battery bracket does come with its own bolts, and they're 11 millimeter. They're not the 6 millimeter Allens that are stock with the bike. So just be aware of that. I'm gonna have to get I keep meaning to get a custom or a little tool bag to keep in one of my saddlebags and stuff. But yeah, just so you're aware, these new bolts, they're 11 millimeter. So yeah, that was today's project. Like I said, I wish I could I'm jonesing to ride the bike, but it's something to do. Get it ready for the summer. I think next thing I am going to get the 4-inch tab bars. I was sitting on bikes at a dealership yesterday, and I'm about 6'2", 250 on a good day, and I get shoulder pains. So like I said, I would like to get the raised bars, but yeah, as far as my Challenger goes, I have the Freedom windshield. I always forget how big it is. The custom radiator guard lowers. It's a Challenger. It's not a Pursuit, but I also got this Advanblack Tour Pack, and it was color matched to the bike. So that's what we got in there, and that's what I'm saying. Like, I really love this bike. I know they're coming out with the 112s pretty soon. I don't know. I mean, I really love it. So, like I said, I really hope this video helps someone. Go ahead and leave a like, share, a comment, tell your friends, your family, whatever. And I'll see you later. Hey, shiny side up.